Everything in this universe is made of material. What do we have around us? Houses, parks, and inside the house, furniture, move out, air, water, soil, and so many more things. All this makes our surrounding. And all the substances in the universe are made of material. What is this material called? We may call it by any name, but the scientists like to call it matter. So, matter is all things in our surrounding are made of material called matter. Now, this is a little vague. What do we understand by this, all the things and material? It has to be a little more specific, because science is always specific. I am telling you bricks is also matter, air is also matter. What is common between bricks and air? Both have mass and both also occupy space. Matter has mass and it occupies space. Now, this makes it a little more tangible, a little more understandable. Our ancient Indian philosophers talked of 5 basic things and they called it Panch Tattva. Tattva means element. Of course, they didn't really know scientifically at that time what is element. You can say 5 basic things. What were those 5 basic things? Sky, earth, fire, air and water. The Greek philosophers also reached almost the same conclusion. But now the scientists have, as I told you, become a little more specific, and they say anything that occupies space and has volume is matter. That is why air is as much matter as a brick or as soil or as your furniture or even a big building, a high rising apartment. All of them are matter. Now, that means air also occupies space and it also has mass. For this we have done simple experiments in junior classes, or even just to revive, when you blow air in a balloon, it starts occupying more space and it also weighs more. So, air is matter.